Good afternoon, guys. This is just a little breakdown to show you guys what I'm looking at on the crypto total market cap 3, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Again, I always start on the higher time frames to give us a better picture of what we're looking at. The higher the time frame, the stronger the confluence. At the end of the day, if I'm looking at a 24-hour candle, the data is much stronger than a 4-hour or a 1-hour candle. So as previously explained on Twitter, guys, we've got this daily resistance, we've got a trend line. So what we've basically done, we've broken this trend line, we've retested broken structure, we've retested support of around 871 billion. We've also taken the Fibonacci tool and we've retraced to the 618 level on smaller time frames. So the Fib was set on the 4-hour, not the daily, which we're currently on now. So what we have here, guys, is 1, 2, 3, 4 days. We've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 96 hours worth of data here to tell us that we're failing to break below 871 billion on the total cap 3. So what we would like in the real world, in an ideal world, is we would like a push up. Let me just show you guys. So we'd like a push up off this little trend line here to come back to these previous highs. Again, if we look at this trend line, we're getting this, we're staying above, we're wicking below, but we're staying above. This is a bullish daily trend line. So what we had here was a bearish daily resistance trend line. So we've broken above that, again, retested. So if we go back here, like I say, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 days of data showing us failing to break below. Take a little look here at the 4-hourly, what we can see here. Now, again, guys, this is crucial for me because what we had previously called was we were looking to break this resistance trend line. We broke that and I explained to people that the target we were looking for was around 980.03 billion. We rejected perfectly off this level where profit taking was ample as alts dropped with the total cap 3 dropping and the BTC dominance rising. So on the 4-hour here now, guys, we've dropped to this golden pocket. We've retested this trend line, this bullish trend line, ascending. So what we want to do now is short-term target is we would like to potentially push up to the 924.913 billion level, which is here, previous support, which broke through, became resistance. That's what I would be looking for now in order to see a bit of rise from the altcoins. Of course, what we'd have to see again, let's take a look at the dominance chart. So we've got the dominance here on the daily, guys. As I've shown you previously again on Twitter, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tests to break this trend line. Either way you want to look at it, we're still in bearish trend. So we can just take this here, take this here, take this here. So what we're having today is we're having a really bullish day. We're seeing another push up from the bulls with the BTC dominance trying to push higher, breaking the 40.42% level. Now, like I explained, we are at a very strong area of support. We've had 3 touches. What I don't want to see is a break, retest and hold in above 40.42%. If we do see something like that, that is not going to be good for the altcoins. Obviously, with the total cap 3, we want to see that rising and we want to see the dominance falling. So as long as we can monitor these two, guys, they do correlate together. I do believe you will have a more successful journey rather than the person who just jumps on Twitter looking at the statuses. You have to look at the top-down analysis. You've got to look at the higher time frames. Weekly, weekly we're still in bullish territory. We've had higher highs, possibly coming down to test this higher low. If we take these fibs away here, make the chart a little bit clearer for you guys to see what I'm seeing. Again, we are at a crucial point with the total cap 3 as well. We're having a bit of a bearish divergence, but we are holding support every way up. We've held support here at 722. We've created support up here at 782, and we've now seen the 870.0 billion support being created. So like I say, guys, higher time frame is always going to tell you a true story. There's no need to be looking at the hourly time frames and the the 15-minute time frames, because they're not going to give you the accurate data unless you're a trader, unless you're looking to get into positions. But other than that, guys, that's just a small breakdown. I will be keeping you all updated. Please, please, please take these things into consideration. As I say, the targets are there for a reason. They are respected for a reason. They're historical markers where we can see support, resistance, support. All of these match up, guys. Like I say, thank you for watching. I appreciate there'll be much more content coming this year when I get a bit more comfortable with things. And I'd really appreciate the support. If you could like and subscribe, that would be marvelous. Thank you, guys.